Hi, good morning or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this video. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Timmy's Treehouse, which is our engineering challenge for groups of 2 or 3 for Wednesday. Now, Timmy has always wanted a treehouse. He's wanted something that was really warm that he could spend the night in. He could sleep in with just a sleeping bag or a light blanket. Now, Timmy also really cares about the environment, so he wants his treehouse built with only materials that are recycled, or as much of it as possible to be recycled. Timmy tried to build his own treehouse once with nails, and the nails pulled out of the tree and he fell. It didn't hold up. So Timmy will not accept a treehouse that uses nails, so you can't use nails in your design. Timmy's also afraid of heights, so it can't be too high. He wants it off the ground pretty high, but not so high that he's super scared. He also really wants an emergency escape. Maybe that's a rope swing down or a ladder. He wants some way to be able to leave the treehouse very quickly. It's also important for him that it has some lights at night so he can make a sandwich. And he needs some way that he can get up and then he can also bring his dog up. That can be shut behind him and locked. So, for example, maybe a rope ladder for him that he can pull up when he's in the treehouse, or some sort of elevator for the dog. Your design. Some of the other things, though, is Timmy wants it black and red no matter what. And he wants a wood floor in it. He doesn't care what the rest of it's made of, but the floor should be wood. All right. Your goal is to design a treehouse for Timmy using those constraints and criteria. There are 5 of each. The first step to this project is to list the constraints and criteria and figure out which is which. Which is something that limits what you do versus which is something that it has to be able to do. Not all of them are super clear cut, and sometimes a constraint and a criteria can almost be the same thing. So it might be a little challenging. You and your partner should then design the treehouse, decide what materials are made, all that. He didn't put a price or a budget, but he did say recycled, so keep that in mind. Then your group will draw it, and if you're doing it online, put a picture here, or turn it in person to me. All right, folks, have a great day. Thank you.